Hold on. Police station right there.
They're about to fuck up.
You want me to get behind you?
Huh?
Behind you?
I don't care whichever fucking.
Matt's gonna jump this. Are you kidding me? My shit's dying. Jonathan, go jump it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I don't want this shit to die.
This won't die. He ain't getting shit. We should both jump it at once.
Hurry up. This thing's gonna die and be bad. You guys are local.
For room.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Go! Woo!
Okay, that's enough fun. Dude,